big dreams. I got big dreams. I got big dreams. I got big dreams. I got big dreams. I got.
Hey you guys, so this is part one of the video. I just left the mailbox and I got my package from Shop Crown Me Virgin Hair, and I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys the hair. I'm gonna do a video on it once I get it made into a unit. So let's open it now. So she sent me 3 bundles, a 16, 18, and 20 inch curly. I think this is Malaysian curly. And she sent me a closure. It came right in time for Mother's Day, you guys. Like, Mother's Day is, today is May 1st. Mother's Day is in like 10 days, so I got no time to get this hair made into a unit so it can last a long time. This hair in my head, I've had this for 4 years almost. Only thing I did was replace the closure, but I had this hair for so long. I have dyed it, I have done everything to it, and then it was long, super long. I just cut it the other day because I wanted some short hair, and I was like, why not? But yeah, it feels so soft. Oh, I love it, you guys. It's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh, it feels so good, you guys. So y'all should go get y'all some. I know she currently has a special going for 20% off. It's like XO20. So yeah, that's the one of the bundles. This is how the closure looks. Closure. Okay, and this is how it looks. You got baby hairs, cards. Okay, you guys, I cannot wait to get this on my head. It smells good. This closure. It smells like it's been shampooed, but I don't think it's been shampooed because you still can see it all together and stuff. I was just saying I wanted a longer curly unit, and for her to tell me just to send me this, I was so excited because it was like, she was my mind. Because I was like, should I go super short straight or should I go long curly? And then she called me and said she sent me some curly hair. And this is the 16 inch. It goes to 20 inch. So on me, 20 inches always look really long. This hair was a 22 inch and it was like almost to my butt. So this is perfect. Listen, take the 20 inch out just because I feel like it. I'm taking my car because my kids in the house and they not gonna be quiet. Kayla on a Zoom meeting. I just left work. So, yeah, I was like, I'm just parking my car. This is some good stuff, guys. You gotta go shop with my girl. She got all type of patterns on her website. She got HD closure. She got frontals. She got everything you would want. Look how bouncy it is. Yes, I can't wait to put this on my hair. Cause if it's gonna be like back here, this the back, this will be where the back bundles will start. So it'd be like down here, it'd be this long. It's like perfect. Cause I know on this wig, this unit, my last track is like right here. So yeah, it's gonna be cute. Rocking it all summer long. I'm gonna have to get some blonde hair from her. because I really want to try balloon, so that'll be what I purchased next. Okay guys, it's like a month later, I think, almost, and I just washed my units, my hair from Shop Crown Me version hair, and this is I can't remember what curl this is, but I washed it finally, and it did real good. I only wore it like once or twice a week, so I wasn't in really a rush to wash it, and the curl pattern is beautiful. It is still there. I did a shampoo and I conditioned it. I haven't put any color on it, but overall I give this hair a 10. It's still soft and beautiful. We'll see how it dry today, because I plan on putting it on when I got the shower. I'm gonna do a little yoga. I brushed it and it's all the shedding I got. I think this shedding came from the wig itself, like mixing the hair, so it was only the back pieces that were like tangled. So I got the tangles out because I didn't want it to be tangled, and I wanted to see if I can brush it, because my other curly wig I can brush really good, and it did good. So hopefully it won't tangle anymore, and that's that. I'll be back later to let you guys see how it dried, and then this review will be going up. Okay, so this is the wig on my head with, I did the middle part this time. Normally you see me as a side part. The girl who did my wig made it where it's versatile. This is 16 inch closure, 16 inch closure, 16, 18, 20 inch bundles.